Hello guys, welcome to Techavro channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download offline map on Google Map. So guys, let's continue into Google Maps. And then click on the profile icon in the right of corner. Then click on offline maps. Now click on select your own map. Now choose the area you want to download. So guys, I am choosing this area. Now click on download. And guys, as you can see, your map is start to downloading. The map has been downloaded and that's it. And that's how you can download offline maps very easily. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.